Wow, guys, can you believe I made this with Brazilian wool? It looks so African, it looks so natural. If I don't tell you it's wool, you will think it's my natural hair. I'm gonna show you how I made this and styled it in different ways. I'm gonna use 3 rows of Brazilian wool. Make sure you brush through and make sure you use different combs so it will come out natural. This is my wig cap. I'm gonna use this office pin to secure the net onto the mannequin head. Okay, this is my crochet pin. I'm going to be using the smaller crochet pin. You're going to learn how to crochet while watching this video. So right now, I'm going to allow you to watch how I populate it with wool. Meanwhile, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of this amazing family that slays on a budget.
Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Found enough of my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher.
Right now, we are in the front. Make sure to reduce the strands, make it smaller so it will look more natural.
Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher.
Right now, I'll be cutting this part because this is the part I'll be using my natural hair to cover.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me.
This is the back. I'm going to cut out this part also. And then I'm going to leave out this hook I'll be using to secure the back. So it's time for me to sew this clip comb. I sewed 7 of them. So I'm going to use it to clip on the hair I weaved earlier. So as you can see, I weaved my hair, leaving at the edges.
Swear we never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say
This is the back. I'm also going to use the comb to clip at the back to secure the net.
Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run the way together. Let's run the way together.
I'm brushing through and using my natural hair to cover it up, giving it that natural look. Okay, are you seeing this hair? It's coming out natural already. So I'm going to use my edge control. You know how I like baby hair. Baby hair is optional anyways. Look at the hair already, it's looking natural. Come on. So this is my concealer. You're going to use your preferred concealer color, the color of your scalp, and then you blend together.
You are so heartless.
Make sure you brush your hair through again. And look at it. Wow. It's looking beautiful, natural, and very African. So guys, if I bring a product to you now and tell you this is gonna make your hair grow like mine, will you not believe me? Will you not buy it? So let me know what you think in the comment section. I chose not to use a hair stretcher, but if you have yours, you can go ahead and use it. So right now we're going to section. We are going to style the hair in different ways. Make sure you don't skip so you won't miss out.
Can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la,
So guys, have you subscribed? Have you liked? Let me know what you think in the comment section. See you around.